National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bensonville, or near O'Hare Airport, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include far northwest side of Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Elmhurst, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Northbrook, Wilmette, Morton Grove, Franklin Park, Deerfield, Winnetka, Glencoe, Harwood Heights, and Rosemont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 71 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 43. Interstate 290 between mile markers 4 and 5. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 43. This includes Loyola University, Oakland Community College, Northeastern Illinois University, and Northwestern University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a flooded